The owner of this Suzuki WagonR brought it to the shop with some really frustrating issues. He complained that the car was jerking badly while driving. The RPM was fluctuating up and down, and it would randomly stall right in the middle of the road. On top of that, the check engine light was glaring on the dashboard. I told the customer straight up, "Brother, first we need to hook it up to the OBD2 scanner to see what the computer is saying. And then we'll move forward with a proper engine tune-up and fuel pump inspection." Once we hooked up the diagnostic scanner, it threw a code for the camshaft position sensor. I popped the hood and closely inspected the sensor wiring, only to find that one of the wires was completely damaged and broken. This was cutting off the signal to the ECU. Now I went ahead and repaired the wiring off camera to get the signal back. But that wasn't the only issue killing this car's performance. The real hidden culprits were waiting for us inside the engine. Next, we started the actual tune-up and pulled out the throttle body. Just take a look at this on your screen. The throttle body was completely choked and covered in heavy carbon buildup. When a throttle body gets this dirty, the engine can't get the proper airflow it needs. This is exactly what causes that annoying RPM fluctuation and rough jerking. We gave it a thorough chemical clean until it was absolutely spotless to restore perfect airflow. After fixing the throttle body, it was time to check the spark plugs. When we pulled them out, the condition was shocking. These plugs were completely burnt out and way past their lifespan. Running an engine on worn-out spark plugs completely destroys your fuel economy and causes major misfires. To make sure the car runs perfectly smooth, we tossed the old ones and installed a brand new set of premium spark plugs. Now, onto the final big piece of the puzzle, the fuel pump. Since the car was stalling under load, it was a dead giveaway that the fuel pressure was dropping. We dropped the fuel assembly from the tank and found that the fuel pump was weak and overheating, causing it to cut out. To fix this permanently, we swapped out the weak old pump and installed a high-quality new one to keep the fuel delivery consistent and strong. With everything replaced and cleaned, I cleared the fault codes and reset the ECU using the scanner. As you can see, the car is running beautifully now. The check engine light is gone, the idle is perfectly smooth, and the throttle response is sharp. If your car is acting up like this, don't just clear the codes, get a proper diagnosis. If you found this video helpful, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe for more automotive fixes. Catch you in the next one.